Hey, it's Dan Alive. We're over here, Platinum Black, Huntington Beach. And I rode over with Pat and Dew because his new Vickie is ready to be picked up. He had a blue one, but now he's got a purple one. And John and the fellows over here at Platinum Black had to do some fine tuning to it before he could drive it. So he's been missing it. He's been just like a little boy, can't wait for his Vickie to be completed, and now he gets to drive it home. So some of the other projects going on here: Platinum Black, Atomic Blonde. Look at that Cadillac motor. There's another one back there, a joint venture Brett and John working on. There's a little Deuce coupe here up on the rack. We've seen this before. Look at that. Like to see it underneath of a rod. And there you have it. Where do you get this kind of coverage? Nowhere else but Danovision. DanoLive.tv. That's pretty awesome. Nice rod. Now, other projects being worked on here. Whatever your needs are, John and the fellows over here, Platinum Black, can definitely accommodate anything you need to get done. Each craftsman is going to do any type of build. You got all the tools you can imagine to get it done. And probably one of the neatest, cleanest shops here we're going to run into. So everything is so organized. You can eat off the shelves, off the floors. How cool is this? Can't wait to see this, Brett, John. Edelbrock Flatty. Edelbrock heads. Check it out. Atomic Blonde. Cadillac motor. Look at that. 6 one-barrel carburetors. Got wire wheels. How cool is that? This is Dew's. There's John right there explaining to Dew. Whoops. Whoops. There's Pat right here. Co-owner. I think she ought to drive it home. Whoa! Look who's here. What's going on? Look at you, man. Look at you really do work.
I get a little dirty sometimes.
Damn, a little. Cool. Wow. That's pretty nice, huh?
Did you tell it myself?
Did you?
No, I just watched it. I didn't do like anything like that.
Okay. Cool. Well, you got those skills. Uh-huh. Yeah. Say hey to Leon back there. Leon back there.
Yeah.
All right.
He's talking to Greg right now, but I'll grab him for you.
All right.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
John, what up? You're live with Dano. Not really.
Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, happy Memorial Day weekend.
Barbecue.
That's John Wainwright, who owns the shop here. Look at that. Yeah. We're talking about the ride up to Santa Maria that I was hopefully going to go on. Anyway, here we're gonna run into another buddy of mine. Again, we're Huntington Beach, California. Bye. Take me home. Yeah. And here's my buddy Leon. Leon, what up? How you been? Good, yeah. Long time no see you. See you still at it. Good. But I bet your boy's growing up real big and tall now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost halfway to 4.
Woo, halfway to 4.
Yeah.
Man, how's the tap business going on the side? That's doing good too?
Doing good, man.
Yeah.
Can't complain.
Yeah.
Everybody says you have basically the 2 greatest jobs of all time.
You do, yeah.
You get the tattoo and you build hot rods.
Yeah.
Like what? Can't complain.
Yeah. Can't complain. Yeah.
Checking
Cool.
out Dewey's ride?
Yeah. Come down and pick it up. How about that, huh?
Yeah.
He's so excited. Yeah. You guys did nice. Cool. Well, there you have it.
The little Model A that we're just getting ready to deliver today.
I see that the blonde one there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that one back there, I understand it's a co-project between Brett and John.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're working on it. They have a lot of big plans for that thing. All the I think they got all the colors figured out as far as like the engine block and figuring out what they're going to polish, what's going to get powder coated and all that.
Wow. I can't wait to see that. Yeah, that's going to be cool. Well, good. Excellent. I'm going to get rolling on here. Get back and do some work. That's Leon.
Sounds good.
Thank you. Good to see you. Hey, look at this guy. I tell you what. How about that? Friends of Platinum Black, here to pick up Dude's car. You're on television, down live. We're out.